Reliable steamers are an effective way to keep your clothing and home decor fabrics well maintained and retail ready. Having a steamer on hand will allow you to present your product in a professional way that is eye-appealing to your customer. We offer 3 steamer options that we are confident will work for your retail needs. Each of our featured steamers offers a 1-gallon capacity water bottle, automatic shutoff, thick steam head, and great maneuverability. Reliable steamers do not require that you empty out the water from the steamer after each use. The steamer will produce steam within 2 minutes and will be ready to use right out of the box. Each of the steamers also come with a 3-year product warranty. Please refer to your owner's manual for additional information. The Vivio 100GC steamer features front push button on-off switch, brass heating element, thick plastic handle grip, metal upright stand for hanging product, Superflex steam hose, removable brush attachment, stores upright into a small space. The Vivio 500GC steamer features front push button on-off switch, brass heating element, thick plastic handle grip, Superflex steam hose, removable brush attachment, removable hanger with clips to hang linens and clothing for steam ease, metal steam head. The Vivio 550GC steamer features front push button on-off switch, brass heating element, a wooden cool touch handle grip, Superflex steam hose, removable hanger with clips to hang linens and clothing for steaming ease, and a metal steam head. When steaming garments or linens, it is not necessary to push against the fabric forcefully to steam effectively. It only requires that you gently touch the fabric to allow the steam to remove the wrinkles. If the garment you are steaming has a nap like corduroy, velvet, or velour, add the brush attachment. If you have any additional questions, please refer to our website at storesupply.com.